Hello everyone. It is Christmas Eve and the sun, as you can see, is out and shining. We've got blue skies. It's wonderful here. I've just popped back to the workshop to do last of my wrapping. As some of you know, my mum's German, so we always do our Christmas celebrations on Christmas Eve, this evening. Very European way of doing things. Love it. It's tradition for us, you know, big thing. And then on Christmas Day, we go to Mrs. Rift's family for standard Christmas Day celebration stuff. So that's what we're doing. I just wanted to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. Look out for the Christmas special coming tomorrow, Christmas Day. And yeah, enjoy your seasonal break, whatever you're doing. It's been a wonderful year. I have got some more content coming for everyone. I'm not sure exactly when that's going to be. I've still got some editing to do, some stuff to upload. But, you know, from me and Mrs. Rift, who's doing the last of the wrapping, just want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and we'll catch you all at the next one.